right. Okay, I'm in.
Okay, so for number 2, it's the last one, the chi-squared test of independence.
Oh, yeah, independent sample t-test.
No, I have the last one, the chi-squared test of independence.
Oh, chi-square. Okay, so I realized I had that many. See an article.
Because it says
Okay.
you need to determine. Oh, is the company, is it independent? If it has the word independent in it, you know it's a chi-square.
Yeah.
Or chi, or however you.
Okay.
Okay,
That's a good little.
We just went over the exam review with Brother Wilcox, and that's one of the hints he gave us.
Okay.
All right, 3. I have test of 2 proportions.
Let me see. Blah, blah, blah. So they're in 2 groups. So is it a? Okay, I see that. Yeah. Now I'm reading it.
For number 4, I had a test for 1 proportion.
Correct.
Okay, 5, and he said there's like 6 of these questions on the exam.
Like these kind?
Like this, okay? So it's
okay. Yes.
Right. 5 is a paired sample.
Yep.
6 is an independent samples, T confidence.
So this one, let me see. A bank of post T. Yep. Yeah. I'll go. I would agree with pair sample, T confidence interval.
All right. You think it's that one? I think it's the next one. I think it's the independent samples.
Well, the independent. Okay. So
7. I've got the last one.
Same.
Okay. 8. I have the second one.
So which confidence interval would it be? Yeah, it's just there's just one sample.
Okay, 9. I have B.
Which the best find the notion of the property of type 1. Yeah, that one's brought up a lot. The type 1 error.
10. I have C.
Yep, that's what I have.
And he said that's one of the questions that's going to be on the test. 11.
Number 10?
Yeah, number 10 is going to be on the test.
Okay.
11, I have A.
So,
and I don't know that that's true. It might be B. I don't know. I don't know the answer to 11. What do you think?
I'm trying to think. So suppose you create 95% info for me and you get 1020 youth. Let's see.
It might be B. It's definitely not C or D.
No, definitely not that.
So
I think it may be B.
Should we try B?
Yeah, let's try B.
Okay. All right. 12. I have 30.
I'm showing you 12. Yep. Yeah, I'll take 30.
All right, and I don't have 13. I don't know what the answer for 13 is.
Let me see. Let's series for sample. Whoa. For the sample proportions. Is there any equation for that, or?
Well, what do we know? All right, we're trying to get the standard deviation for, so we have, get the standard deviation. Yeah, there's a, shoot, where is it? The formula for the standard deviation. Oh, shoot.
Yeah, I'm looking right now. I'm just looking at my notes.
Well, it would be back a long ways. And then once we figure this out, we better put it down.
No, yeah, as I said, once we figure it out, put it down just so it's in our heads. We have it. This is one of the simplest things we've learned. Why can't we do it? I know. So I'm trying to figure out. I'm just like trying to figure out how to get that with that information we have, which shouldn't be too complicated.
So it has to be in the unit that talks about the one sample t-test, because that
Okay.
on the one sample t-test, we don't know the standard deviation.
Okay, that's true.
Oh, this is stupid. I can find how to get the z-score everywhere.
Yeah, I got those equations down everywhere too.
All right, I'm gonna go to the. When all else fails, ask Google.
Yeah, I figure when it comes to that, when in doubt.
What's the formula for finding out standard deviation? What's the formula for standard deviation? Okay, do we know the mean? the mean is 30, right?
Yeah, so it should be, yeah, so mean should be 30.
All right.
And then
each number, subtract the mean and square the result. So you take the 100 minus the mean and the square and that squared. And then find the average of those squared differences. Ah.
What does it mean?
All right, let's skip it. Let's skip it for right now.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll come back to it. See, what is the probability of random people? Less than 2. What varies? I'm trying to see.
Proportions. This is 16.
I'm trying to find where this is at.
All right, let's skip down to 15.
Okay. Oh, geez, okay. All right, so 15. Can we plug this into the Excel?
I don't know, but I got the margin of error is 0.016, so I did it somehow. Let's see if we can plug it in. Okay, so what do we have? We have the subjects.
Which test would this go under in Excel?
Yeah. Okay, all right. Yes, we can definitely plug that into Excel. It's the really simple one. That you have those 4 squares. Yeah, this is a super easy one.
Okay. I'm just trying. Which one is it? You said.
I don't know. I'm looking right now.
Okay.
All right, it's not the quantitative inference, it's the other one. Because it's not ANOVA. No. All right, so it's not the quantitative one, it's the other one.
Okay. Let me see. Going back.
Okay, it's the categorical data to proportions. So X.
Oh, okay.
Got it now?
Yeah, I'll just bring it up here real quick.
All right. So X1 would be let P1 be the true proportion of people who experience dizziness. So so 61 is X1, and N1 is 1563, and X2 is 15, and N2 is 579. And you want to know %95 confidence level, and you want to know the margin of error is you deduct the 0.003 from the, well, you add it to the 0.29 and then you cut that in half.
Okay.
Calculator.
So at the margin of error, you just add the two like confidence intervals together, and you just cut it in half, or minus it.
You take the difference between them, but because one is minus, if I add it, then that gives you the difference.
Okay.
So I got 0.32 divided by 2. It's 0.1. Okay. All right. The lower bound is negative 0.003.
Yep.
The upper bound is 0.029. All right. 18, I put A. What did you put?
See if the form. Yeah, no, I'll put A with the equal and then the alternative crossing it out.
Okay, 19, I have 1.458. Because isn't the test statistic the Z value?
Yes, that's what it is.
And the p-value is 1. Oh, no. Where's the p-value?
This is right in there next to Z.
Yeah, but for some reason I have a different thing on my list.
0.928.
Yeah, but did you change it to the type of test? P1 does not equal P2?
Oh, that's what you do. P is not equal.
And then at 0.145.
Correct.
Okay, 21, I had, what did you have for 21?
So 21, so I put reject. So I put yes, rejected.
Okay, I put no, I failed to reject. I put the last one.
Oh, okay. I thought because since this level of significance was what was level of significance? 0.05, the usual.
Yeah, but the p-value is 0.145, which is greater than the 0.05. And if it's greater, you fail to reject, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay, no, yeah, you're right. I wasn't looking at the p-value and level of significance evenly. So no, yes, it would be failed then.
22, I have 6.579.
Well, okay, so calculate.
And again, I
You
just
say
put
6
that.
point.
I put that in the ANOVA one, or in the p-square.
Is that on the categorical the two proportions for the categorical
It went in the
Excel sheet?
chi-square one. It went in the chi-square one.
Oh, the row. Okay, I see that because of the rows. Okay.
And then 23 is 0.087.
Yeah, for the p-value, then.
And then I put, yes, the p-value is greater than the 0.05.
Correct.
25, I have C.
Inefficient. Correct.
26, I have 0.19.
See for lower bound. Yeah.
27, 0.13. 28, I don't have.
This was 28. So suppose you had been in charge of design study. Oh, that one's weird. I came across that one before too, prior, and it just throws me a curveball. So we can try working on it here, see if we can understand it. See, suppose
I wish I'd have kept my notes better because I remember doing this.
no, yeah, I need to keep more organized. Like I have stuff, but it's not as organized as it should be.
Okay, I just figured out I just found you work on this for a minute. I'm going to go back and work on 8, the one we had trouble with before. I think I found it.
Okay, let me.
You keep working on this one.
All right. Okay.
equals 7 times 3 equals 100 equals Okay, I think I found it.
For what number?
Okay, so for number 13, the formula is P times 1 minus P, and 1 minus P is in parentheses, divided by N, and then the square root of that, of the whole thing. So for our problem, it would be 0.03 times 1 minus 0.03 divided by 100, and then the square root, which I got was 0.017.
Okay. Oh, okay. What question? Sorry, what question was that for again?
That was for 13.
Okay.
Now we have to do, that gives us a standard deviation. Now we have to find the z-score for that. And the z-score is P minus P, which is the proportion. So you take the, I think you take the 0.25 minus, what was the P?
It was 0.30.
All right, minus 0.30. Now I'm not sure which is first. It says P hat minus P. So which is the P hat?
P hat
would be 0.25, huh?
Yeah, I think it may be. Yeah, I think it's a 0.25, and then the other one is 0.30.
Because the 0.30 is definitely the P. All right, so it's 0.25 minus 0.30 or divided by your standard deviation, which we just figured out was the 0.017. So I'm going to put that in 0.017, 0587. And that's going to give us the z-score, which then we need to plug into the applet. So let me work on that. Negative 2.844.
Negative
2.844. So if I put that in my thing, now what do I want to try to find out? I want to try to find out if the proportion is less than, and it's a negative. Okay, so I'm just going to do the far left one.
Yeah.
And the z-score is a negative 2.844. Okay, take that off. I just get a 0.02. I don't know if that's right.
Okay. That's what it was when you clicked on it? It came out as 0.002?
Yeah, 0.002. I just lost my whole thing. I've got to go back in.
Okay.
Because we've got to get some answer for these so we can turn one in, see what we missed.
Yeah, yeah.
I think we're going to pass. What do you think?
I'm feeling pretty good. So I'm feeling pretty good about this upcoming exam. Like, it's not as complicated as the other ones have been. It's just understanding which Excel thing to use at the right time.
What have you got so far as a grade?
Right now I'm sitting at a B.
Yeah, me too. All right, so what question was that for?
We were looking at
14. All right, 14. Okay,
yes.
Let's give it a shot. 0.002.
Yeah, we'll go with that and see what happens.
All right, then we're good up until what question are you working on now?
28. I think I got it. So what I did, so the equation I put 1.96.
Oh, okay, because we're doing the 95 percentile thing, right?
Yeah. So then I divided that by the p-value. So I put 0.02, put in parentheses, and I squared it, and then I times it by the 0.15, the original p-value, I believe. Where did I get the 0.15 from? Where did that come from?
Did you get it from the applet?
I think so. I think that's what it was. I'm trying to figure out where I remember I got that. I may have been. Yeah, I think I may have gone just from the applet. So I did by 0.15, and then it comes out to be 1,224.51.
So you round up.
I have to round up to 100. 1,225.
1,225. Okay.
Yeah.
So when I take the test, if it's on there, I'm gonna have to call you so you can explain it again. All right.
Okay, that works.
29. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one, A, B, C, D, E.
Let's see, right? A, B, C, D, E. Yeah. Okay, well, let me read this real quick.
I have E.
E. A, B, C, D. Is that the H? The null hypothesis is P equals 0.2. Alternative hypothesis is P is greater than 0.2. Okay. All right, cool. We're on the same page then.
Okay, 30, I have A.
Yep.
I don't have 31.
So it's 31. What is the value of this? Whoa. The test statistic.
I don't know what problem it's asking me for.
I think it's asking from the previous one where it says a recent book noted, so it's right above 26. That little paragraph.
We still on that one? All right.
What's the t statistic of that?
So do we have to plug that in somewhere?
I think we do. I don't know how else we could get the t statistic without having to plug it in somewhere. I'm just confused on where it's asking because it's not really specific. Around sample.
All right. So what do we know about that one? So 2% is the p-value. I mean, 20%.
Yeah.
So 0.2. 0.20 is the p. And the N is 200.
Correct.
So 50 is the p hat.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Okay, so that's what we've got so far. So I must have put this into a thing because I have the lower and upper boundary.
So the P hat.
So which one do we put it in?
Does it go in one proportion or two proportion? Is it one, I believe?
Well, let's look at it.
Yeah. So what would be considered for X and N?
All right, so X in our situation would be,
Is that the P hat or the 0.02, the P?
oh, yes, it is. The null hypothesis is 20.20. The X is 50, and the N is 200.
So X is 50?
Yeah, because that's the p hat. And the null hypothesis is 20. And we want to know if
got
the
it.
test, we want to know greater than. We want to know if the alternate hypothesis is greater than the null hypothesis. So we'll keep it at greater than.
Okay, let me switch that over.
Yeah, okay. So it's 0.19 is the lower bound. Upper bound is 0.13. Yep. Now somehow I got 28. Oh, 28 is the one you just got, right? All right. So 29 we got, 30 we got. So 31, the test statistic is 50, right? Or is it the Z?
Oh, I think it's Z. I think Z is the same as the T in the situation.
All right, let's go 1.768. Yeah?
Yeah, let's go with that. I think that is the T statistic with this.
All right. The p-value is 0.039.
Yep, 0.039.
And 33 is, so the p-value is less than the 0.5. So you
would reject
the null. Yes, I rejected the HO. Yes.
Yes.
The first one, right?
Correct.
All right. It looks like I've already done the last ones. Have you?
Oh, I have not. No, I haven't made it that far down.
All right. Do you want to do it, or do you want me to give you the answers?
Let me see. This is where you start plugging in things into ANOVA and all that.
Uh-huh.
Okay. You just tell me. I already know how to do that. You can just tell me. Even if I plug it.
Okay,
I'll save
34,
us time.
34 is 0.282.
Okay.
35 is 0.293.
Okay.
36, I got 99. 37, I got 109.091.
Okay.
38, I got 1. 39, I have C. 40, I have 8.728.
Okay.
41, I have 10.455. 42, I have 22.446.
Okay.
43 is 40. 44, I have 0. And 45, I have C.
C. Okay, I think I would have been able to get that with just plugging things in.
All right, let's just one of us. I'm going to go ahead and turn it in, okay?
All right, sounds good.
Give us a couple of shots at it. Well, it doesn't matter. They give us the answers on this anyway, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, 1 is correct, 2 is correct, 3 is correct, 4 is correct, 5 is correct, 6 is wrong.
Oh,
It's supposed
okay.
to be paired samples.
It is paired?
Paired, uh-huh.
Okay.
7 is correct, 8 is correct, 9 is correct, 10 is correct, 11. 12 is wrong. It's supposed to be 0.30.
Oh, not just, oh, they want to, okay.
13 is wrong. 14 is
What
wrong.
they get?
13 was 0.046. 14 is 0.138. Okay, 15 is wrong. I mean, no, 15 is correct. 16 is correct. 17 is correct. 18 is correct. I'm just going to tell you when I come to another wrong one. 24
Okay.
is wrong. It's, no, the p-value is greater than 0.05.
That's not, wait, so 24 is A or not A?
24 is not A, it is B, it's D.
Oh, okay, whoa. Okay.
25 is D. $27 is wrong.
What are they looking for? That's exactly how it's calculated.
Way wrong. It's 0.310. Did we just write it in wrong?
I put it in. I got 0.310.
Is that one I just gave you the answer to?
No, that's what's just up on the Excel sheet on the ones when we did the one sample with the X being 50, N being 200. Then we changed the null hypothesis to 0.20, and the type of test was greater than. Then yeah, it comes out as 0.310.
28 is 1,537.
Oh, I was way off. I don't know how they got that. Okay, I'll have to restructure.
37 is wrong. 38 is wrong. 39 is wrong. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. All right, I guess we know.
Did we miss the rest of them?
Huh? The rest were right. The rest were right.
Oh, okay.
So 24 was wrong, 25 was wrong, 27 and 28 were wrong. And then the rest were, no, 37 and 38, 39 were wrong. Okay, you know what? Let's go to 21. Let's go to 21, and then we can work on this group one by ourselves later to work on the ones.
Okay, so that works. Let's see.
I only missed one on this one the first time through.
I missed 3 the first time, but I saw what I did wrong.
Okay. Oh no. Oh, wait a minute. I've got it written down somewhere. I was going to say it's blank. Don't do this, Jimmy. All right. Group quiz number 21. All right. So 1 is true. 2 is true.
Yep.
Number 3 was C.
Yep.
4A.
Yep.
Okay. 5 is false.
Correct. Yeah, the outliers. Yeah.
6, I got 0.901.
Correct.
7 is C.
Yep. Positive and strong.
Yeah, I got D for that one, but it was wrong. It's C. 8, I have 5, 4, 6, 2, 3, 1.
Yep. 5, 4, 6, 3, 2, 1.
And 9 was 0.728.
Which one was that? Sorry.
9.
Number 9. Oh yeah.
0.728.
Correct.
10, I have C.
Oh yeah, you're right. I put when I looked at this when I did the score and everything, I put D. I got it wrong, but it's C.
Yeah, me too. I missed that one first too. I thought it was weak, but they said it was strong.
No, yeah, so they got me there.
Okay. This is my second time submitting it too. All right, I'm going for it. Have you've submitted it once already too?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so on for our group project for the next portion of it,
Yeah.
I emailed you. I worked on it. I emailed you. The stuff I need you to look at is what's in red.
Okay, I'll look at it later tonight. I'm gonna stay up a little bit longer and figure this stuff out.
Yeah, I was going to take the test in the morning, but I don't think I better since I did so poorly on this.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do everything again with the exam prep, and I feel good. I'll take it tomorrow. If not, I'll just do another review sesh with you, or we could do something.
I missed the number 8.
Really? What'd you miss?
All of them.
How's that even possible?
They changed them. Wow.
Oh, that's probably what they did.
Don't assume.
Oh gosh.
Wow. Wow. I got an A on the first attempt and a C on the second one.
Oh,
wow.
Well, they said at least they do the higher one.
Oh well, yeah. I'm not going to cry over that. But be careful.
No, that's good.
All right, go over it. Don't just assume.
No,
right,
yeah, I'm gonna have to look over like that.
All right, I'm going to stop the broadcast.
All right, sounds good. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.